Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna grab some soap here. See, this is my thing I made with the rack. See my other video about how you store it properly. So this one this is salt, okay? It will stain this rack here if it's not stainless steel. Okay, it's just normal steel, iron, so it will stain it. Okay, I left it outside as well. So there's sweating as well. When you do your wrapping, there's a few ways. There's so many ways. You can leave it open, which moisture can get in, and there's sweat and that stuff. So I recommend, if you could, wrap it in like craft paper. I don't have craft paper with me, but I have this paper. Okay, perfect size for what I need to do. And the glue that I'm going to use is this one here. Hope you can see that. All right, homemade as well. So I'll have a jar here. I let it cool down. So basically, really easy formula. Let me see. So I have, in the recipe here, they say cornstarch, but I used tapioca. 300 grams of water, any water will do, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for my recipe, but any vinegar will do. And will give you this consistency, okay? And you can make glue out of it. Cornstarch, tapioca starch, any kind of starch, that will do, okay? And we can make a glue, okay? How strong it is, I don't know. This is the first time I tried it. So I'm gonna grab a few for you to have a look. Basically what I do is the paper here, put in the middle, on the side. Okay, so I'm cover it up. Cover the side. Like that, hold it up. Just basically keep folding. So you have that part there. So this paper is really easy, you know. Craft paper, similar process. You can easily tear it, but that's why people don't use it. Okay. And you just use a wooden stick here. Get some glue, stick it on. Homemade, okay, so drastic, a bit more to cover everything up. Not the best, but this will do, right? And that's it. Homemade glue. Once it's dried out, label it. So this one I have is what, see when did I make this one. So make sure you know what's in this, okay? 25 of January. This is the 3 sisters. So I have cocoa, plus olive oil, plus almond in bentonite plate, plus charcoal. Okay. So something like that, you know, it's homemade, you know. If you can use craft paper, it's better, because it's too absorbing, you know. Craft paper is more thicker, but this is what I have at home. So, okay, but first make this, start to think about how are you gonna package all this to give as a gift, or in the long run, you might want to sell all this. It's up to you. Today, I would like to share this recipe here, this glue, okay. So you can make it at home, okay, very simple. Cornstarch, water, 300 grams water, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And make it sticky, okay. Not sure how strong it is, but I will test it out. Because this is not to the exact recipe, but think about how you can make everything, okay, homemade. From the glue, the packaging, so it's more like your personality that you put into your soap. So this is homemade craft. Okay, this is just my way of doing for now, but I have, what Mom keep thinking is using craft paper and 2 stickers. Because in Australia we have to use 2 stickers for the labels, okay? The front is for the ingredients and plus the grams as well. So you have to, sometimes, you have to weight your, so I'll use my gram here. So you gotta weigh it up, gotta put the gram as well, okay? So since we do this chop by hand, right, by the knife, okay, cut by knife, because it's not very standardized, okay, not very consistent. So this is my offcut here, okay. That's why we use the special cutter. Don't use a knife, but use your special cutter. So you measure out each one, right, and you just simply use that to cut standardized size. And once you have a few batch going, you roughly get the idea how much it's gonna weigh. Okay, for example, this one here, I cut like 3 centimeter, okay, with the width, because I like a bit of chunky bar, okay, with my loaf of soap, and it can give me 8 bars. The 7 right here, right, I have used one, I have tested out one already. It's good, okay. You have to test one for yourself, okay, before you give it away. It's a new recipe, so I have tested it out already. It's good, it's usable, no damage done to the skin or anything. So that's where you can package it, give it away for other people, more people to test. Or alternatively, you can give it away. So that's a new recipe. But once you do it, you know the size, okay. This is like 133 after it's been cooled already. Okay, so I can label it 130 gram for this kind of bar, this size. Okay, so I know when I package it, it says 130 at least. Okay, so 130 roughly around there, right? So that's how you know that each bar that you have, this one exactly 130. Okay, this one 142, bit higher, but you don't want to go lower. This one 133. Okay, so the point is, once you establish your criteria, you're gonna think ahead how you're gonna package it, what is the weight. Very important if you want to market this later on. Write it down, okay, the cut, the size. So for example, like this one, right, 86, no good, because I want my bar to be around 100 gram. Okay, so this cut right here is not usable. Okay, so I can mark it around 90. Okay, but this 103, that's 94. This one 93. So this one is around 90-ish, but I want this to be around 100 grams. So this batch here is no use for me, personal use only, but otherwise I have to relabel it. I have to use a different type of method to cut, because this one is not standardized size. This one's perfect. So I mark this up, okay? Why is perfect? What's the length of this size? Okay? So I know next time I'm gonna cut, okay, I'll use this size. This one too thin. This is the perfect size. This one 7, 300. Okay, okay, 3 mil, 30 mil, 3 centimeter. So that is the size that I want to cut for this batch here, which lost a lot of water. I want to use it. Okay, otherwise this one 88. Okay, so it's off a lot after the water have evaporate out after being cooled for 6 weeks. This one nearly over 6 weeks already. It's ready to use, really good bar, but it's not fit the standard that I want. You have to develop your own way of how you're gonna market this, okay? Because it's homemade, we try to get as much close to how the commercial soap is. We still can't get it perfectly because they use standardized machine and stuff, but alternatively, we have handmade machine that can do it for us. There's cutter out there that is precise, okay? 10 bars like that, you go choop, okay, and you cut fully. There's other ways you can go about it, okay? So think ahead, the packaging as well. This is homemade, no good. This one is definitely no, it's homemade, but it's for my personal use. Give it to friends, they don't care. That's how I do it, okay? And also think about your glue, okay? Go on YouTube or do a Google search of the glue recipe, okay? I use this recipe here, but do a Google search and I'll give you a link as well to this recipe that I got from, so you get it more accurate, okay? So just get the consistency that you want. That's the glue, homemade glue. Doesn't cost much. Water, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons. It's more than feasible. 60 grams of the cornstarch, tapioca, the starch, tapioca starch. Today's video is not about soap, but it's about your future, your commercial endeavor. Once you have made your soap, how are you going to market it? Me, this batch right here is a test batch. I will use it with soap, okay? But I know that I can't cut it this small because the water evaporates out and I can't sell it later on. My name is Tapioca. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Hopefully I'm not talking too much, but you get the idea, right? Homemade glue as well. Think about your packaging, okay? I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.